Is the housing market headed for a crash? Well, according to a new study, about 40% of people think that it might be. I'm Anthony Gerbi. These are my Thursday thoughts. And before I go further, just if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. It does help us out. So the survey I'm referring to was conducted by Lending Tree, and they surveyed people across all different generations to say, what do you think the housing market's going to do in the next 12 months? Do you think it's going to crash? And crash, as you might be thinking, is sort of a vague term. The way they defined it was a significant drop in prices in a short period of time. That means different things to different people. So, take that with a grain of salt. But 40% of the respondents believed, yes, there will be a crash in the next 12 months. And that speaks to a phenomenon we're seeing in the economy, which is rising interest rates affecting home prices. Over the past couple of years, home prices have been incredibly high, in part because mortgage rates have been incredibly low. It was very inexpensive to take out a large mortgage, at least interest-wise. The opposite is true now. It is getting much more expensive to take out a large mortgage, and therefore people are hesitating before they take out those large mortgages, leading to less purchases of expensive homes. How will the housing market react? Well, I would agree. I think it's going to contract a little bit. I maybe would use the word correction instead of crash. I don't think it's going to be a 2008-like situation by any means, but it will probably switch at some point, maybe over the next year here, from being a seller's market, which we have come to know for the past couple of years, to a buyer's market. Does that mean it's time to buy the place you've always wanted to buy? Possibly, when we get there. But that answer, as always, is going to be only specific to you. However, with this change on the horizon, we need to take into account how interest rates are affecting not just your home price or a home price you might want to buy or home prices in general, but how it affects everything you have going on financially. So that's where we can come in and kind of take a look at the bigger picture for you. But long story short, overall, even though I wouldn't use the word crash, I think the survey has a big nugget of truth to it.